Hi there, welcome to Footprint. Today I'm going to make a simple introduction to our footprint data and about how to use them to make what kind of analysis. What's more, how to find the indicator you need for your own chart. Let's begin. When you come to the home page of Footprint, you can see the Create button on the right upper corner. Click it, then you will see a pop-up selection for you to choose to make a new chart, a secure query, or a new dashboard. For this time, let's make a new chart. Now we have come to the Pick Your Data section. On your left side, you can see the dataset currently provided by Footprint, which we have separated into 5 different categories, which are the data for Ethereum, the data for DeFi, and the data for different kinds of sectors such as DEX and lending, and the data for the token. You can easily locate the indicators you need by category. Or you can directly find this indicator using this search bar. For example, if you want to make a chart displaying the daily TVL of each chain, the indicator you need is TVL. Try to put the TVL as the keyword in this search bar. You will see this indicator will show up in 2 tables. You can click one by one to see whether this is the one you need. As I mentioned, the topic you want to do is the TVL of every chain on a daily basis. So this is the correct table you want to select. Another example is to make a chain analysis of a certain token, including the price, volume, and market cap. In this case, market cap is the keyword for us to search for the right table we need for our analysis. After we type this keyword in search bar, we can see this indicator is provided in 3 tables. Because our topic is token analysis, so the token daily stat is exactly the table we are looking for. This table provides the trading volume, the market cap, as well as the price of a certain token. This is an easier way to find the indicator you needed for your analysis.